In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to store files on my computer instead of OneDrive. If you want your files to stay directly on your computer, creating your own local folder is a simple way to get started. This can help you keep things organized and make it easier to save documents, downloads, or other files somewhere other than a cloud-based OneDrive folder. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open File Explorer on your computer. This is the main place in Windows where you can view folders, files, and drives. You can open it from the taskbar if you see the folder icon, or by selecting it from the Start menu. Once File Explorer is open, you'll be able to choose where on your computer you want your files to live. Next, go to This PC. You'll usually find This PC in the left-hand navigation panel inside File Explorer. Click on it to view the main storage locations on your computer, such as your hard drive, documents, downloads, and other local folders. This step is important because it takes you out of OneDrive and into your computer's own storage area. Once you're in this PC, create your own folder by clicking New in the top left corner of the File Explorer window. Depending on your version of Windows, you may see an option for New Folder right away, or you may need to click New first and then choose Folder. This will create a brand new folder in the location you are currently viewing. Creating a separate folder like this is helpful because it gives you a dedicated place to store files locally and keeps them easy to manage later. Now type a name for your folder and save it. Choose a name that makes sense for what you'll be storing, such as work files, personal documents, photos, or anything else that helps you stay organized. After typing the name, press Enter on your keyboard to confirm it. Your new folder is now ready to use. From this point on, when you save files from apps like Word, Excel, or your web browser, you can choose this folder as the destination instead of selecting a OneDrive location. A useful tip is to remember exactly where you created the folder, so you can quickly return to it whenever you need to save or open files. Keeping your local folders clearly named can make everyday file management much easier. And that's it. You've now created a folder on your computer where you can store files locally instead of using OneDrive.